Hello guys, Wesley here. Welcome to another video. Now today we are going to generate a simple one-page website using ChatGPT. So we are going to give ChatGPT the data that we want, and we'll want it to code the entire website for us. So let's see what you're going to do. So I've come up with what we need here. So this is what we are going to do. Simply a one-page website for an IT company. So the website should have the following. The first section is the hero section with a video background, some text on top, and a contact us button. The about section telling us about the company. Then what you're going to do here is just ask the AI to generate some dummy data for that section. The services sections, which will list the services that we offer. And here we are going to do this as a carousel, and we are going to list the services in card format layout. Then we have the testimonial here, which will display the the, the testimonials from our clientele, or whatever they feel about us. We'll have their images shown, their name, the rating that they have given us, and some details about the service that we offered. We'll have a call to action section, and here we simply have a form having two fields. The first one is a field name where you put your name. Then you have the drop down where you select the list of services from the services section here, and submit that to get a quotation. You'll have a contact us section, which will simply have a contact form on your hand side, and a dummy Google map on the left side. The footer section with some social media icons: Facebook, Twitter, IG, and YouTube. Then we are going to use font awesome for the icons, and we are going to for the icons and the services cards, and we are going to make this website as responsive as possible for all devices. So this is what you're going to do. We'll ask our AI to generate the entire code for the website for us. The code should include the styling, the JavaScript functionality, and some dummy data for each section. Then we'll submit our forms to an email. So I've given the email there. Then to make things more attractive, the call to action section will have a background image, and I've given the link to the image here. The hero section, as we said, you have a background video. The link to the video is given. Then the avatars for the clients are also given there, and the Google map, the link for the map is there. So let's get this started. So the first thing is we need to create a folder where we'll hold our website data, and I've created mine here, which is AI website, and we need a coding tool for us to be able to use to write that code. So in this case, I'm using Visual Studio Code, and so I'll drag this web folder to the Visual Studio icon, and it will open Visual Studio. So there we are. So without wasting time, let's go back to our content here. Grab everything, copy this, go back to AI, ChatGPT, enter that, and let's get started. Okay, so immediately I've noted here that AI is not giving us the dummy data that we need. As you can see, it's saying that add your dummy data. So I'll stop this generation, and I'll add another quote here, another prompt here. As a single code, I want everything to be together, and include the dummy data. There we are. So I want everything to be together, and the dummy data should be there. And immediately you can see that now it has started giving us everything together. All right, so you can see. Okay, so let's see, things are coming out. Okay, alright, so that part has reached the end, but is not yet complete, so we need to continue generating here. right, so that is the call to action section. This is the contact us section. The footer section. All right, so this is the HTML. It's done. So I'll just grab this, copy this, come back to our editor, create a new file, this index HTML, and enter our entire code there. There we are. So done with that. So remember, we don't have the styling here, and we need that. So let's see. So back to our AI here, and we'll say give the code CSS styling. So there we are getting the code for our CSS. So we need this to complete. As this continues, back to our editor here, and we'll create a new file for that, and we'll call this styles.css. There we are. So our styles.css. Come back and confirm this if it's done. Yeah, it's done. Okay, so let's grab this, copy this code back to our editor, paste that code, save, come back to our index page here, and they're telling us that our style needs to come here. So we need to link our style to this section here. So we link this by using the link style and our styles.css. There we are. So save that. Now remember, we need our JavaScript for our functionality, so we need to go back to our AI here and ask for that. So our code for JS. Okay, so there is our code. It has been embedded in our HTML, so we don't need everything. We don't need all of these. So just copy what we need up to script, copy there, come back to our editor, and there is somewhere they told us to add our script. So here's our script. So here, add there. There we are. So save the whole of that, and let's see how this looks like. So we'll open this using our live server. Let's see. There we are. So you can see that is the hero section. You can see our text, you can see our contact us button and our background video. If you scroll down, you can see the about section. There we are. If you scroll on our services, you can see the services that we offer. If you scroll on the testimonies, you can see the testimonials that we offer, and they are sliding, but they are not appearing how we wanted them, but at least we have that. You can see the quotes section here. So this is the call to action. You can input your name there, you can select your service, and you can request for the quote. We have our contact us section. You can see our map on the left and our contact form on the right, and again our footer with our social icons. There we are. So as simple as that, you've generated your single website using ChatGPT. Now There are some things that need to be done. You can style things here and there, but that was not the aim for this. The aim for this was to show you that you can use AI, specifically ChatGPT in this case, to generate a simple website. So in case you want to work more on this, you can ask AI to continue editing for you. These are the specific parts for you to be able to get that site up and running. But at the moment, I'm liking this and hope you like it also. So let me know what you think on the comment sections. And if you like this video, kindly subscribe to my channel and give us a like and hit that notification icon so that you don't miss out on the next video that we upload. Otherwise, thank you for watching and I'm out. Peace.